In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, peace, mercy and blessings of Allah be upon you. Home remedies from the kitchen for your illnesses, for throat infection and severe cough. Those who have a cough, throat infection or headache should do the following. In the morning on an empty stomach, take a little ginger juice, about 1 teaspoon, and mix it with honey. After mixing, add a few drops of black seed oil, about 2 to 3 drops, and mix it with your finger. Take this mixture twice a day in the morning and evening. God willing, this remedy will be beneficial for throat infection and severe cough.